Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of our home building series. Today we are at one of the Drees model homes, which is actually pretty similar to our home being built. If you missed part 1 of our home building series, we went to the Drees Design Center and we were able to pick out all of our finishes. So the kitchen cabinet layouts, the flooring, tile in the bathroom, colors, pretty much everything. And we are so excited because our home is making so much progress. We're actually almost at the end, but we're gonna go back to the very beginning and show you the whole Drees building process. So from the start and how it's currently looking now. And we are just so happy with everything so far. We're also going to walk through some model homes so we can see what we have to look forward to for the end of our home building. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's go back a few months. So in the beginning of the build, it does feel like a slower process, but it actually went by so fast. This was earlier this year, and we would go weekly to check the progress of our home. And every time we went, we would see something new that was added and being worked on. And then it just felt like the process flew by so quickly, which was so exciting to see every week. Once the framing started and the drywall went up, it all felt so real, and it especially started to look more like home when the windows were installed, and then everything inside really started to come together. And even though we would go see our home every week, we also got weekly updates and pictures from our Drees building manager, so it was nice to know we were in the loop of every detail when it came to the build. And since Drees is a semi-custom builder, we were able to make some structural changes to our home, and then of course pick out all of the interior finishes to our liking. So when we looked at some of the different model homes, which I will show you here in a bit, we were able to get inspiration of what we would want in our home or what we could change to better fit our family and preferences. And we are so happy with our design choices and how truly easy it was to work with our building manager to make sure that we were satisfied with the quality and build of our home. And there was also a customer portal we had access to, which outlined the whole process and let us see the progress of the build. So that was really helpful to have. So this is one of the model homes that is very similar to ours, and I'll talk about some of the changes we made in our home. This entryway is the same, where it has a 2-story ceiling, but the rest of the downstairs is only a 1-story ceiling, which is something we prefer, so we love that. And a change that we made was to open up this wall, which is the side of the entryway where the office is. So there's a hallway with a mudroom area, powder room, laundry room, and the office. So we did switch the opening and doors of the office to the side wall of the entryway instead of this hallway, and it just feels more open when you enter our home now, and we're excited for the design we have planned for the office. So it'll be nice that you'll be able to see it when you walk in through glass doors as opposed to it being more hidden in this hallway. This is the mudroom area, which I love that it's close to the front door, but also in the hallway where the entry from the garage is. So really convenient either way you enter. It has the 4 cubbies at the bottom, perfect for some baskets. And then it comes with the design of the beadboard wall and hooks already. And we decided to add cabinets at the top and to paint it a really dark green color. And I love how it came out. I'll give you a little sneak peek of it finished. It looks beautiful, but also very functional and a great space for storage. And another structural change that we did was to convert the closed stair style with rake wall to an open style and removed the rake wall completely. So instead of this straight slope like in this model, we opted for an open style where you can see each separate step. It's a very small detail, but it actually makes such a big difference with the style of the stairs, and we love how they turned out. I'll show you another finished sneak peek. We did the hardwood with the front side of the step painted white, and we love how it all came together. We were inspired to do this by a different model home we walked through, which is also very similar layout to ours. This one also had a beautiful kitchen we drew more inspiration from, including a bar coffee area that we also added to our home. It leads to the pantry, and it's a beautiful functional space, and I'm so excited for it. When we saw our kitchen cabinets finally installed for the first time, it definitely felt like it was all coming together. We went with a warm wood color for the island and lower cabinets, and then a creamy white for the top, and glass door cabinets just for the sides where the stove will be. They do go up all the way to the ceiling line, and then there's a small slope at the very top, but we love the height of them. And then we arched this walkway into the bar coffee area, which also has the warm wood cabinets and some glass doors as well. And then the dining room is right off to the side of the kitchen, and then we'll have some big beautiful sliding doors in the living room with lots of natural lighting and a fireplace as well. Seeing our master bathroom come together was also so exciting. The cabinet color goes so well with the floor tile we picked, and the shower is probably my favorite part. It turned out so good and looks stunning with the floor to ceiling tile and brass gold finishes, and the tall mirrors really stand out nicely in this space. I can't wait to show you the finished home tour in my next video so you can see how it all came together. But here's how the tile floor came out, and the bathtub as well. It really is one of my favorite spaces in our home now. This is the bathroom in one of the models, which has a different vibe with the finishes, but still so pretty. We have the same wood color for the cabinets and mostly same layout. We did switch the orientation of the mirrors to vertical, so we can really play off the tall height of the ceilings and draw your eye up. And also decided to do sconces for our bathroom instead of these vanity lights. And on this side, we extended the vanity to the end of the wall and added a small sitting space, which will be my side, so it'll be functional for me to use. And it does make the bathroom feel bigger now and just makes good use of all the space. This is a guest bathroom in another home, which we love that all the bedrooms have their own bathrooms. I think this one pretty much just has the standard options, which are still nice, and you can tell it's all great quality, which is something we love about Drees Homes, in that you also have the option to make everything your own and to your own liking. So we really wanted to make our guest bathroom stand out, since we do have family that comes to stay with us often, and we went with this beautiful floor to ceiling green tile with a stacked vertical pattern, a hexagon black floor tile, and black fixtures. We didn't do a tub, just a shower, and it all came together so beautifully. We do plan to add hardware to the cabinets, but it already looks so pretty in here, and it's ready for anyone who visits. This is the same layout we will have for our master bedroom, but a major change we did was to add large sliding doors instead of the 3 windows on this wall. We have a beautiful view in our home and wanted to really showcase that and add in all of the natural light as well. I'll show you how it turned out in a bit. It is so pretty and definitely makes the room feel bigger and airy. It's also a great space for all the furniture we want in here, and it does have hardwood floors, so I do want to eventually get a rug and add it under our bed. I'm very excited for all of the design and decor of all the different spaces we have. Our room also has the same window on the side where you can see out into the patio and the window across to the dining space, which is also great for even more natural lighting. We also walked another model with a beautifully decorated master bedroom. It had this really cool wallpaper, so it's nice to just get some ideas for the future. And here is our master bedroom with the added sliding doors. They are definitely so pretty, and we're so excited for this view. This model home also has the same game room and media room that we have in our home, which will be the playroom for our daughter. We also did carpet for this space as well as for the upstairs bedrooms, and it's such a great space to add in some storage units and shelves for all her toys. And then the media room we will design as a home theater and just make it really cozy in there. This is one of the bedrooms, which has a really good layout and space, and I love that the windows in Drees Homes are so large and designed very well, so they bring in lots of natural light. Even the closet in this room has a window, which I love. We will of course add in shades or curtains, but it will be so nice to have lots of great lighting. And then each bedroom has a bathroom, and this one is a really good size, and I'm just excited to make a few changes in there and really personalize it, make it pretty and our style. The laundry room in this home has a tile with a pretty design, so I got inspired to also add in more of a statement tile in our home. This one has cabinets and drawers at the bottom, and we did the same thing and also added cabinets at the top in the middle where the washer and dryer will go. Here's our laundry room and also the tile that we chose. It came out so good, and I'm so excited for this functional and pretty space. Once the flooring came in and all of the appliances started to be installed, that's when it feels so real. I love how the flooring that we chose looks. The color is exactly what we wanted, and I'm so excited to show you our home completely finished for my next video. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And if you're interested in Drees Custom Home Builder, either in Central Texas or the Midwest and Southeast, I will leave all their information below. They truly have been awesome to work with for the building of our home, and we are so happy and grateful we chose Drees to build our home. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon on my next video.